There was an ad right in the beginning. It means I have my monetization on. If you haven't seen it, you probably have YouTube Premium. What a millionaire. Okay, let's talk about how long it really takes to get monetized on YouTube. How many views and subscribers you need to do that. I'm gonna break down everything you need to get monetized, like review process, how to properly set up your Google AdSense account to get this money, cash, rest. Also, we're gonna talk about a few main keys to get your monetization on faster. Hey, what's up and welcome back to my channel. My name is Arti Creator and I help content creators and entrepreneurs grow on YouTube. So let's go! First of all, you may not know, but the minimum requirements to get monetized on YouTube is 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers. And if you have 1,000,000 views and 50,000 hours of watch time, but like 2 years ago, you will not be eligible to get monetized on YouTube because YouTube looks at the last 12 months. So all this 4,000 hours of watch time should be done within 12 months. And now guys, let me show you the page where you can see your eligibility for YouTube monetization. So here is youtube.com. We need to go up here and press on our channel icon and go to YouTube Studio. Okay, here we need to go to the monetization page. And here you can see your subscribers and your public watch hours. As I said before, to get into YouTube Partner Program, your channel needs 4,000 public watch hours in the last 12 months and 1,000 subscribers. And here you can see how all this counts. You can press on that button, notify me when I'm eligible. Just click on it and YouTube will send you an email when you are eligible to apply. Now let's talk about the history of my channel. I started uploading videos on this channel in April. My videos were about how to create an Instagram filter or how to create Instagram or Facebook filter, and started from the first video. I have a decent amount of views on each of my videos because there were not so many videos on this theme, and a lot of my views came from YouTube search and Google search. Now, it wasn't like magic. I had worked with the biggest companies and influencers in the world, like a video editor and YouTube consultant. Videos I made in 2020 gained more than 70 million views and more than 1 million subscribers for my clients. So with all this experience, it was the time to create my own channel to get these views. And I made my channel with the super valuable information and with the super high quality of production as well. And it works. I uploaded my first videos in April and I got my first 1K subscribers in July. But I didn't have this 4,000 watch hours at this point. I decided to create a course about filter creation and I launched it in May. And without any monetization on YouTube, I started gaining this first money off of this channel. So far, my course is #1 in the world about filter creation and has more than 7,000 students. I mean, not all the students came from YouTube, but I got 60% of the revenue from YouTube. And yes, I got like $2,000 from this course, but it's still a great result when your channel even not get this 1,000 subscribers. Once I launched the course, I realized this team does not have any potential, and I stopped producing videos. And yes, videos I publish still getting these 15,000 views every month, but overall traffic is low. And then in September, I started a new life for my channel. I started producing videos about how to grow on YouTube, how to get more views on YouTube, and other YouTube tips. And at the end of December, right before New Year, I got my 4,000 watch hours and 1K subs. But to be honest, at this point, I already had like almost 2,000K. No, just 2K, not 200K, but you'll see this number on my channel for sure. So in that case, I was eligible for monetization. So it takes me 4 months to get 1,000 subscribers and 9 months to get my 4,000 watch time hours. So in my case, I hit that 4,000 watch time hours with 120K views on my channel. In your case, it could be faster or slower, and only thing I can suggest is just to keep uploading more videos. Let me show you the moment when I got this eligibility to get monetized on YouTube. Oh my god, look at this! 4,000 watch hours, 2K subscribers. Let's go and apply now. Okay. So here you need to review partner program terms. Okay. Accept, and accept terms. Wow, it's done! Let's go to the step number 2, sign up for Google AdSense. So you will need to create the AdSense account, put your address, bank account, and other information, and you're good to go to get monetized. Okay, I signed up for Google AdSense and now I need to wait a few days. It's linked to Google AdSense and it's in review right now. By the way, AdSense will send you a mail, like real mail, with a verification code, and you would need to type it in to verify that you're a real person and to get this money. By the way, I got mine already, and I'm gonna talk about YouTube monetization, my first paycheck, in the future videos, so stay tuned guys, and maybe subscribe if you want to. I don't know why it was open like that, look at these corners. And once you're done with verification, YouTube are gonna send you paychecks every month. For now, you can go back to YouTube monetization page and submit your form. And now you need to wait a few days for YouTube to get you monetized. In some cases, YouTube monetization can take up to 2 weeks, but let me show you how to get your monetization on in 2 days or less. Just click on this send feedback button and write something like, "Hi YouTube, I'm eligible for monetization and just submitted a form. Is there anything else I need to do to get my monetization on?" And bow! My monetization has been approved in 2 days. And it was holidays, but they still approved me fast. And by the way, don't be afraid to reach out to YouTube support in any case you need help, because it is better to ask than make mistakes or get into trouble. And now the part you've been waiting on, how to get these numbers to get monetized. Obviously, you need to create more videos and upload them consistently. Depends on your schedule, once or twice a week. And to get more subscribers, don't hesitate to ask them, subscribe to your channel, as I do now. Subscribe to my channel to learn more YouTube tips. I'm waiting for you, because sometimes I'm watching videos and like, this video is the best video I ever seen on YouTube, and close it because nobody says to me, please subscribe. You can show to subscribers your statistic that you have like 5% that are watching your content and subscribe to your channel, and 95% of views came from non-subscribers. So they're like, wow, he's so underrated. Why he don't have so much subscribers as he should? To be honest, I cry every day when I watch my statistic. So please, subscribe. Okay, now you have these subscribers, but if you would have 5 minutes long videos on your channel, you would never get this 4,000 watch time hours, because I had the same problem on my channel too. And as you can see, I have more than 100k views, but my channel got views on videos that 5 minutes long, 4 minutes long, so the chances to get these 4,000 watch hours are low with these short videos. Try to upload videos at least 8 minutes long and make sure they are correctly produced so the viewer can watch the whole way through. Just imagine, I need 4,000 watch time hours, which is 240,000 minutes. And if I have a videos that 5 minutes long, I would need 48,000 of views to get this 4,000 watch time. But if my videos are gonna be 10 minutes long, I would need just 24k views. Yeah, I'm a genius. And yeah, it's not a real statistic because people do not watch from start to the end. But you got this. Longer videos are better. Once you got monetization on, you need to check out all of your videos and go to monetization settings, turn on the ad on your videos to start getting money from YouTube. You can check what type of ad you can put in your videos. Firstly, I just added all of them, but then I turned off sponsor cards because so far there's zero revenue from it and I don't think anybody uses it. As you can see in my statistic, most of the revenue came from skippable ads, which is the ad that you can skip after 5 seconds. So if you're gonna choose just bumper ad or non-skippable ad, you would not get so much money. Notice I said you need to upload at least 8 minutes long videos. In that case, you can put another ad in your video called mid-roll ad. It can double up your revenue on YouTube. I've seen a lot of YouTubers that turn on this little mid-roll ad and start getting much more money on YouTube. So again, if your video more than 8 minutes long, you can put another ad in it. And think about it as a YouTube. YouTube needs people to stay longer on their platform, to show them more ads and get more money. If your video like 5 minutes long, YouTube would not get any money from it. But if you're producing long videos, YouTube obviously will love it because YouTube can make dance mural ads and make more money. And check out these two videos right here to learn more YouTube tips. Let's go, let's go. I see you on the next one. Oh, press the like button and share this video with other fellow YouTubers.